Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable SSO in Salesforce. All right, so let's begin with the video. Begin by opening Salesforce and clicking the gear icon in the top right. From there, choose the option to open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the main setup area where most administrative configuration lives. On the left side, you'll see the quick find search bar. Type single sign-on settings and select it from the results. This page is where Salesforce stores and manages your SSO configurations, and it's the hub for connecting your org to your existing identity provider. Next, click New to create a new sign-on configuration. You're starting a fresh SSO setup here. Give the configuration a descriptive name. Now add the core details that establish trust between Salesforce and your identity provider. Enter the issuer exactly as provided by your identity provider. You might also hear this called the entity ID or issuer URL, and precision matters including capitalization and any trailing slashes. Upload the identity provider certificate so Salesforce can verify signed assertions. Fill out the remaining fields required by your setup. Once that's done, click on Save, and you are good to go. And that's it. So that's basically how you can enable SSO in Salesforce. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.